Wow. Spectacular view. I'm starting to have second thoughts about this. I wish I had a friend with me. It's lonely up here. The balloon is going to burst at some point. I'm trying not to think about it too much. What's that popping sound? Oh dear. I think the balloon has burst. Help. Down, down, down. I'll be smashed into a million splinters. I'm dropping like a stone. Next time I want to travel first class.